Hey guys, it's Tracy here, and this is my second video for the Steps to Success with MLSP. What I'm going to go over in this video is how to set up your autoresponders so that when people start opting into the system campaigns for My Lead System Pro, the leads will actually start going to an autoresponder that will then have an email follow-up campaign. So as people are opting in, they're going to automatically start receiving emails from you that basically warm them up to your opportunity and start to build a relationship with them and start to build some trust with them. And this is actually a feature that I realized today is only available to gold members and above. So if you're at the academy level, you actually won't be able to use this feature. What's going to happen is as people opt into your system campaigns, your websites through MLSP, those will actually just be saved under My Team, My Leads, and MLSP ends up doing the follow-up for you. So they're going to just send a series of emails that will have your links in them, but you won't have any control really over that list. You won't be able to personally email that list or send them emails about other opportunities or other information. So if that's something that interests you, if you want to start building your own list, you can actually get a free trial with an autoresponder or a dollar trial with it's a free trial with GetResponse or a dollar trial with Aweber, and that actually allows you to start capturing those leads in your own autoresponder so that even if you ever leave My Lead System Pro, you now pretty much own that list and you can promote whatever you want to that list. So like I said, if that's something that you're looking to do and you're ready for that level, then you're going to want to upgrade to the gold level in My Lead System Pro. But if you're already at that level, if you're not at that level and and you're new, don't worry about it. That's something that you can always progress to later on. But if you're already in the gold level, this is how you're going to set up your autoresponder with MLSP. What you're going to do first is go to Account up here, scroll down to My Autoresponders. And then you're going to see that you can get an Aweber account, GetResponse, or Oprius. I've actually never used the last one. I mostly hear about people using Aweber or GetResponse, and the one I personally use is Aweber. This one has a dollar trial for 30 days, and GetResponse, it has a free trial for 30 days. So it's up to you, whichever one you want to use. But for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to focus on Aweber first. And so what you're going to do is if you don't have an account, just go there to get your account, and then you're going to head over to Aweber. You're going to log in, and you're going to create and manage lists, and then you're going to create a new list, and this is going to be just for your MLSP campaigns. So your list name has to be something totally unique, so you can put whatever you want. Let's just put something with numbers for now so that we can just get something approved quickly. For list description, you can put pretty much anything you want here. This is just what you're going to tell your subscribers so they know what your list is about. So let's just say something like this is a list for people interested in free internet. Well, it's not, it might always be free. So let's just say in internet marketing training. And then this from section is actually where you're going to put your name and your email address. And that's going to be what the people on your list are going to see. For notifications, this is basically just if you want them to email you every time someone is added to your list, you're going to put that email address here. So then every time we get a lead, Aweber sends us an email to this email address, and we know that someone has opted into our list. So once that's set up, you're just going to hit Save Settings. And then up here, you can put a company name if you have one. If not, just leave that blank. In the website URL, you can put either your own personal website or blog, or you can put one of these system campaigns for MLSP. For this, I'm just going to put in our blog. And then your signature, this is something where if you want to just always have the same signature inserted, then you would just put something here, your name, phone number, email, whatever information you want people to contact you with. But for the video, I'm just going to put our names for now. We normally put more, our Facebook, connect with us, all that kind of stuff in our signature. But that part's totally up to you, however much you feel comfortable sharing. And then for social media and sharing, if you have a Twitter account and a Facebook fan page, this is where you're just going to connect with it, connect with both of them, and then whenever you create an email broadcast, it will actually also share it on your Twitter and Facebook. So it's kind of like added people onto your list in a way. You're able to promote that email to even more people than the ones who have opted in on your list. Then you're just going to scroll down and hit Save Settings. And now you're going to scroll back up to the top, click Confirmed Opt-in, and here I actually go ahead and shut off the require opt-in. It's totally up to you, but if you want to capture the most amount of leads, then I just shut that off. Basically what this means is when someone opts in, it's not going to send them an email that requires them to confirm it. It's just going to start the follow-up email campaign already. So go ahead and click off, and then just come down here. You don't have to worry about the other stuff, and click Save Settings. Now that part is complete. So your list has been created. You'll be able to see it up here now. And now we're going to go ahead and show you how to install the MLSP follow-up campaign. Because what MLSP has done, they take out the work for you completely with all these campaigns so that you can just start promoting and building your list. So we're going to head back over to My Lead System Pro, and what you'll see is if you click here to toggle instructions, specifically for Aweber, what you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to see Aweber Autoresponder, and they actually have a video series too, so if you feel like I miss anything, you can always go through and look at these individual videos as well. But I'm just trying to streamline it for you so you can just get set up right away. So right here you're going to see it's actually highlighted yellow, Aweber campaign code. You're just going to highlight that, click copy, go back over to Aweber. So now remember, we're at messages and follow-up. Now here it says use a predefined campaign by entering a campaign code, and that's what we just copied. So now we're going to paste it in and click load campaign. And what you'll see is that all of the emails that were already created by MLSP will load right in here. So basically they've already written all of the follow-up for you. All you need to do now is head over to My List, List Settings, and go back up to Personalized Lists, which is the second choice, scroll down, and now you're going to see something called Global Text Snippets. And so what you need to do is just click Edit where it says MLSP username and put your username. So whatever username you use to log into MLSP, you're going to put here, click Update, and then your domain, if you don't have one integrated with MLSP, you're just going to go ahead and use your primary domain that MLSP has assigned to you. So we're going to head back over there, and we're going to scroll up, choose My Websites, and I believe it's My Affiliate Links. And what we're going to do is, let's see which one we want. I believe it's this one right here. Actually, let me check real quick on one of my other lists to make sure that that's the right one. Okay, yes, that is the one I'm using. So when you're in the back office of MLSP, My Websites, My Affiliate Links, this is where we are. You're just going to take this link right here, copy it, and under the Personalized List, Global Snippets, where it says Domain, you're just going to edit there and paste that in. Now, wherever MLSP has inserted these snippets, the global username and global domain, it's going to automatically put your information in that place so that everything gets tracked through you. So as you start getting leads and they start getting follow-up emails, if they decide to opt in or buy anything or join, it's all going to go through your personal account. So we're going to go ahead and click Save Settings. And now that part is complete. So you can go ahead and look at your follow-up again. You actually can test it if you want. Click Test and send it to yourself. Make sure your links look good. Make sure everything works. You can go in and edit any if you want to change anything. You're free to do whatever you want at that point. But this is just how you get your list set up and add the MLSP campaign code into it. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to integrate this Aweber list into your actual MLSP website links so that in addition to MLSP collecting your leads will also start showing up as subscribers on your own personal list as well. So I will see you at that video.